So that's why you can say 他25岁 enough. And then how to ask the age? Same, same structure. Then you say 他 This one no need. Here. Okay, now the new word. 多大岁 Yeah. 他多大岁 Continue. 他25岁 多 actually we learned last class. Remember how to say how much money? 多少钱 So the same 多 Okay, so 多大 actually means big. So for us, like how old are you means like how big age are you? Yes. So 大 a new word 大 means big. So 多大岁 we learned already. Yes. So 多大岁 Okay, now let's practice to ask the age. Try sentence.
你多大岁
Yes. Next.
你的朋友多大岁
Yes. Next.
你的孩子多大岁
Yes. Next.
他的丈夫多大岁
Good. Next.
你的男朋友多大岁？
Correct.
他的女儿朋友多大岁
女儿朋友 What's that?
女朋友
Again. Say again.
他的女朋友多大岁
Correct. So his girlfriend how old? Next.
你的老师多大岁
Yes. 你的老师多大岁 Next. One more.
你的丈夫多大岁
Yes. Correct.
你的学生多大岁
Right. 你的学生多大岁 Your student how old? Right? Easy, right? Yes. So you see, if you do this way, it's very easy to make sentence. You don't need to think too much. Use picture. Always use picture. Don't translate. Okay? And for age, for money, no need verb. You can directly talk. Okay? The pronunciation. This one 是多 not do. Okay? It's 多大岁 Yeah, 多大岁 This one for any age. Can for the baby, for adult, for old people, use the same one. 多大岁 Okay? Yes. Yes. Good. So look. 他叫什么 or 他叫什么名字什么 means what is a question. So 他多大岁 is a question. So this already is a question word. That's why no need 嘛 Okay? No need 嘛 So no 嘛 Why? Because 什么多大岁 It's already is a question word. Then no 嘛 Understand? Yes. Good. Any question? Yeah.
So is the question 多大 so you can have other like how many big or how I'm literally translating how many big something or is it only 多大岁
For
Like
now.
the phrase.
Yes, for now we for the age.
Oh, okay.
Okay, step by step. Don't jump. Yes, now we talk age. We use for the age. Okay. Any question? Do you understand now? Okay. 有没有问题？没有问题。Okay. Now I want to let's make a dialogue. So use this to make a dialogue. You see how much you can talk. Okay. Now who want to try? Okay. You and me. Okay. You start or I start? Okay.
我叫 Anthony。
你好 Ethan 我叫 Linda。
我40岁。Oh, I need to ask her a
Yes.
question. 你多大岁？
OK， 那我20岁。她是你的太太吗？
她是我的太太。
她叫什么名字？
I got you. 她的
Wait，
no，
她叫
她叫
什么名字
她叫Leah。
？OK， 她多大岁？
她42岁。
我要水，你要水吗？
我40。Oh, do I want water? Oh, no.
Relax, you are too nervous. Relax.
I'm trying to stop translating in my mind.
That's why when you translate, always too bad. It takes too much time. Don't translate. You just focus on my question. Okay, the secret is that when make conversation with Chinese people, you just copy. You don't try to change. Oh, I learned this. I want to use it. No, you copy. Look. Why? Because the same structure. Look, from beginning, he asked me, say, 你多大岁? Then I answer. I ask, 她是你的太太吗? Answer. 她是我的太太. Copy. Right? Then I say, 我要水，你要水吗？
我要水。
Yes, see copy. 我要水 or 我不要水 right? Next. 你的太太要咖啡吗？
我的太太要咖啡。
Yes. See?
Okay.
Just do this. Very good. Very good. Yes. Next. Okay. Now, you find a classmate. You too. Yes.
早上好。
Oh, you just use the words we learned, okay?
Okay. 你好，我叫 Samuel，你叫什么名字？
我叫 Burhan。
OK， 我是26岁，你多大吗？
你多大吗？
你多大岁？
我31岁。
You need to quickly catch opportunity, ask him. Because he always ask you. Any question, use ma, use what, use the.
你要咖啡吗？
不要，我不喜欢咖啡。我要水，你呢？
我要咖啡。
你有孩子吗？
我要一个孩子。
他的名字什么？
da。
他叫什么？他叫什么名字？
我的孩子叫大吉。
Very good. Yes, 很好。Next. Yes, very good. Believe me, because this is our 5 class, 5th, right? 4th or 5th. Yes. 4, 5. Look, very good. Yes. When you go out to talk to people, just remember one thing. Don't translate. Use picture. You look at the person. If I want to ask you, then you just say 你. Then use the verb. Da, da, da. do something. Not translate. If translate, it takes so much time because all